In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menus and pages in your Shopify store. Navigating the Shopify backend might seem a bit daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's actually quite intuitive and user-friendly. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel and you're on the home page. This is your central hub where you can manage your store's operations. From here, you're going to want to look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of options, and the one we're interested in today is Content. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on Content, you'll see another set of options. The next step is to click on Menus. Menus are incredibly important as they help your customers navigate your store, making it easy for them to find the products or information they're looking for. Having well-organized menus can greatly enhance user experience and potentially boost your sales. On the page that appears after clicking on Menus, you'll find a button labeled Create Menu. Go ahead and click that. A new interface will appear, allowing you to add details for your new menu. Enter the preferred title for your menu, keeping in mind that simplicity is key. You want it to be clear and direct so that customers know exactly where it will take them. After you've entered the necessary information for your menu, you can further customize the links or items that will appear under this menu. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, make sure to click Save. Saving your work ensures all of your efforts don't go to waste, and it allows your new menu to be live on your store, ready to guide your customers. Now that we have our menu set up, let's move on to creating pages. From the main Shopify dashboard, look again to the left-hand navigation panel, and this time click on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you'll see an option for Pages. Click on that to view all the pages you have or start creating new ones. To create a new page, click on Add Page. This is where you can bring your ideas to life. Whether it's an About Us page, contact information, or special promotional content, you can customize it here through Shopify's flexible page editor. Be sure to use engaging content and clear language to communicate effectively with your audience. Once you've set up your page and finished writing the content, click on Save to ensure everything is stored correctly. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a new page to your Shopify store. By following these steps, you've taken significant strides in enhancing your store's navigation and providing valuable information to your customers. If you have any questions or need further clarification on future tasks, feel free to explore Shopify's comprehensive help center or watch more of our instructional videos. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!